Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jessie and today I have a poem for you called There Was an Old Bear. There was an old bear who lived down the hill. If I'm not mistaken, he's living there still. If you knock on his door, there under the tree, he'll very politely ask you in for tea. How nice! Do you know what goes great with tea? Cookies! And I made these beautiful bear paw cookies that I'd like to show you how I made. And this is something kids can do with their parents and their grown-ups. So bear paw cookies for Goldilocks story time. So first you'll find your ingredients. You'll need sugar cookie mix, Hershey's chocolate kisses, and chocolate chips if you like. I used both. You'll need an egg and a stick of butter. You'll also need a wooden spoon, a mixing bowl, some parchment paper, and a cookie sheet. Now grown-ups can preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line the cookie sheet with the parchment paper. Kids can combine the sugar cookie mix, the egg, and the butter using the wooden spoon. It takes some big muscles, but I know you can do it. And you can also unwrap the candy. Now to make your bear paws, you need a tablespoon or you can use the wooden spoon to scoop out the dough and make a ball in between your two hands by rolling them together with the dough in between. Then you take your ball and put it down on the cookie sheet on top of the parchment paper. You take your wooden spoon, the back end of your wooden spoon, and you press down on the ball you made. This flattens out the cookie a little bit. Then you take your Hershey's Kiss and you push it into the center of your cookie, pointy side down, so the flat side is facing you. And then you take your either 3 more Hershey's Kisses or 3 chocolate chips and push them pointy side down around the top of the cookie. Now the cookies need to bake for 7 to 10 minutes. So place the cookie sheet on the top rack, and this is what grown-ups will do. Smaller cookies will bake faster than larger cookies, which is why I said 7 to 10. So if you're making really big cookies, they'll probably take 10 minutes to cook. If you're making smaller cookies, maybe they'll only take 7 minutes to cook. And don't forget to set a timer, which is what kids can do. Now when your cookies are ready, grown-ups can take cookies out using an oven mitt or a towel. Watch out, they'll be hot. Cookies should have golden brown edges, like the color of Goldilocks' hair. And let them cool on the cookie sheet for about 1 minute, then move them to a cooling rack. Then you can enjoy them, and don't forget to share. Bye everyone, thank you.